Listen to this bird. Don't stop now, my love. There he is. He stopped singing as soon as I hit record. And he was singing so pretty. Keep singing, baby. Birdsong in the city. A beautiful sound to hear amidst all of this city noise. This birdsong literally made me stop and just listen and record so I can share. Wow, helicopter, sirens in the background, birdsong in the city. Why am I not seeing it? How come I can't see that helicopter? There it is. Let's get back to the music, shall we? I love listening to this bird. My arm's getting tired. All right, my beautiful bird, I gotta go. I love you. I'm exploring the neighborhood. My first day on a new sit in Nashville. Wow. I can't walk away. I want to go get underneath him. Let me see if I can do that. I'm gonna cross the street here. Try to keep him in my focus. Let's get a better sound and a better view. I hope I'm blocking the wind. What kind of bird is this? Does anybody know? Please tell me in the comments. I am in Nashville, Tennessee. And I can't walk away. I don't want to walk away. Oh, good. Get to see more of the bird from the behind. The feathers, beautiful. Oh, look at your tail. Maybe I need to... Are you showing off a little bit? Oh, I guess it's time to go. Lana Love signing off. Until next time, you be you and live your dreams now.